Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're solving coupon code validator. So in this problem, it basically tells us that we will be given three arrays of length n and that describe the properties of n coupons. So one array will tell us the code of the coupon, one array will tell us the business category of the coupon, and the last category will tell us if the coupon is active or not. So for the coupon to be valid, the code needs to be consisting of alphanumeric characters and underscores only. And the coupon's business can only be in these four categories: electronics, grocery, pharmacy, and restaurant. And of course, the coupon needs to be active for it to be valid. So what we need to return is the array of the codes of all the valid coupons that is sorted by their business line in the order alphabetically, and then by the coupon code in lexicographical order within each business category. So if we look at this example, we see that the first coupon is valid. The second coupon is an empty string, so it is not valid because it needs to be non-empty. The third coupon is also valid because it's alphanumeric, it's in one of the business category, and it's active. And the fourth coupon is not valid because it has this character. And after finding the valid coupons, we need to sort them. And pharmacy comes before restaurant, so we return this output array with 4 and 5 coming first, then save 20. If we look at the second example, the first coupon is not valid because it is not active. The second coupon is valid because the string consists of only alphanumeric characters and underscores. The category is in one of the four categories and it's active. And the third coupon is not valid because this is not a valid business category. So we only return electronics of 50. So now that we have seen some examples, let's get to how we can solve this problem. So how I will solve this problem is I will make a set called business, and it will contain all the business line categories that we are looking for. Then we will look through each coupon. So for each coupon, we need to check if this is a valid string, if this is in the business set, and if this is true. And if that's the case, then we will add the business category and the coupon code identifier to pairs. And after we have added all the valid coupons to pairs, we will sort them according to the business category first, and then we will sort them according to the coupon identifier string in case they are within the same business category. Then we will look through each pair and we will add the coupon code from each pair to the resulting array, and we can return this as our result. So let's go through this example real quick. First, we see all these three are valid, so we add it to the pairs. This one's not valid because it's an empty string, so we move on. This is valid, so we add it to pairs. This is valid, so we add it to pairs. This is not valid because it has an invalid character in the coupon code, so we move on. And this last coupon is also not valid because it's not currently active. So then now we will sort pairs according to the industry first and pharmacy comes before restaurant, so we will sort them this way. And now it's sorted, so we will add them to the result. So first we will add 4 and 5, then we will add save 20, and then we can return this as our result. So the time complexity would be O of nlogn, where n is the number of coupons. Because this pairs array, when we sort them, it can take up to nlogn time. And the space complexity would be O of n, because this pairs array can take up to n space. So now let's get to the coding. So first we can set up the pairs array to empty, and we will set up the business set to a set consisting of electronics, grocery, pharmacy, and restaurant. And now we will loop through the coupons, so we can do it for I in range length of code. And we need to check if it is in business or not. If not, then we can continue to the next one. And if is active array, if it's false, then we can also skip it, so continue. And now we'll set a temporary valid value to true, and we will look through the coupon code string, and if any character in the string is not valid, then we will set valid to false and break. How we will check? Yeah, we will check by their order if it's less than z greater than a. And let me just copy paste real quick, and then I'll edit it to a capital A and capital Z and 0 and 9. So capital A, capital Z, 0 and 9, and let me get rid of that or. And now we will set valid to false, and if it's false, then we will just break from the for loop right away. And if valid is true and code of I, meaning it's non-empty, then we can add it to pairs. So pairs.append code of I and business line. Now after finish adding everything to pairs, we need to sort it. So we will sort first by index 1, which is the business line, and then by code. So x of 1 first and x of 0. Now we will set a result empty array, and for p in pairs, we will add p of 0 to the resulting array and return the resulting array. Let's see if it works. Okay, perfect. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I hope to see you all again soon.